Amidst the bustling heartbeats of the world's downtowns lies the arena of corporate ambition, where emerging leaders face the intricate dance of organizational politics. For new supervisors, the realm of organizational politics can appear as daunting as navigating through these vast, vibrant cityscapes. But with the right strategies, what seems like a maze of challenges unfolds into a path of opportunities. In the dynamic world of business, organizational politics shapes decisions, influences dynamics, and can dictate the success of projects and careers alike. Understanding its flow is essential for any leader aiming to excel. At the core of navigating these waters effectively is the cultivation of a robust network. Mentors provide wisdom gleaned from years of experience, while allies offer support and valuable feedback, helping you steer through political landscapes with insight and confidence. Consider the story of Alex Taylor, who ascended the corporate ladder by strategically building relationships. Taylor's journey underscores the power of mentorship and alliances in converting potential roadblocks into stepping stones for advancement. Networking transcends mere acquaintance. It's about forming meaningful connections. Engage authentically, contribute value, embrace diverse viewpoints, and nurture these relationships with consistent, thoughtful communication. Much like the interconnected streets of downtowns, the path to navigating organizational politics is paved with the strength of your relationships. By fostering a network of mentors and allies, you transform potential obstacles into opportunities for growth and success. Empower your leadership journey with us. Subscribe for more insights and strategies designed for the aspiring leader in you.